Look, actually it is. Wow. Hello guys, now I'm right here in the corner farm here. Wow, look at him. Look. Oh, it's so far away. Wow. It's so big. Giant millipede here. Scorpion. It's a venom. Wow. 2 millipede. Right there. Wow. That's amazing. Oh. Oh. What is the hole here? Giant scorpion, everyone. See? This is the big claw of the scorpion. And this one is also. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ngay quá. Nó là inside is cold. Let's see. Oh, giant millipede. Rare spotted millipede here. It's big. The dragon millipede. Yeah. Okay. Here is a cricket. Do. Okay. Oh, you. Wow, it's okay. What is this guy doing? Okay, close up. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. What is this? The one, the frog. What kind of frog is this? Yo. This is so cute, everyone. This is a cute frog here. Yeah. Look. Actually it is. Oh, the scorpion, see the frog here. So what really? So do you see any insect here? Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Inside the hole, everyone. Wow. The millipede hole here. See here? Oh my god. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening. The beet. This is the rhinoceros beetle lava. Oh, taste the corn flower. Ooh. This is very cute. Okay. Actually, this beetle is. I love this beetle. Wow. Ooh. Hi guys, now I am on the way here at the rural area of Cambodia, and this is the way to find the giant insect at the mountain. You see the mountain at the left side. This is the way, the place that I'm going to go. And okay, let's see you right there. Ooh, scorpion. Wow. Oh, it's the giant scorpion here. Oh my, yeah, it's the piece of the old building. Ooh, ooh, my god, the scorpion is very big, everyone. Look at the belly, it's the fire scorpion. Okay, unbelievable. Ooh, the millipede. Here, the white small millipede. Ooh, here, looking up there, and this is the bottom of the. And also other insects usually walk around this rock area. Okay, let's get out. Find them here together. Oh, oh, see everyone. Wow. Oh, one giant millipede. Ooh. Angry, bit angry. Check along the stair here. Ooh, ooh, wow, wow. Oh, so big, everyone. How long they are? So touch more taste. Okay, mostly on the stair because the millipede come here to eat the green plant here. Ooh, everyone. Oh, it's another hornet, everyone. But it's already dead. Oh, it's pitiful. It's so sad here. That's very, very big. Okay, nothing here. Ooh, wow, everyone gone. Ooh, another one. This is red spotted millipede. Yeah, it's a cute millipede. Okay, look at this one. This is the big one. This is the big one. Ooh. Very big. Ooh. Oh. Wow. It's another one. It's another one. Oh. Amazing there. Millipede all the way close up when we touch them. Oh, the red spotted millipede, everyone. Another red spotted millipede. Okay. Actually, they are. Okay. You see, the view here is very, very interesting here. And mostly they hide themselves under rock. Ooh, the golden one. Let's check them here. Ooh, wow, we're walking so fast here. Why walking so fast? Hey, my friend, where you going? Where you going? Ooh, now I want to escape. You want to escape from me? Okay. Ooh, it's a bit cold here. Okay, in this side it's the deep forest, so you want to go further. Let's go inside here, but now let's check near this step first before we go inside the forest, because I don't want to miss any chance to see the millipede on the rock here. Ooh, wow, it's a scorpion, but this one is a bit small and it's a bit nice compared to the other two. Ooh. Ooh. It's the golden giant millipede. Wow, look at the legs. When it walk, it's very look interesting. Let's walk on my hand like this. Wow, it feels great. It feels great, everyone. Oh. Okay, let's check it. It's dead. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Ooh, look at the legs here. Very interesting. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's there. Ooh, what is it? It's a lizard. It's a mountain lizard. Nothing inside. Ooh. Ooh, what is it? Ooh, it's a lizard or what? Here. Oh, it's running so fast. Okay, now let's get inside here. Ooh, it's a pure millipede here. Okay, wow. This is cute. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Scorpion. Ooh, also with giant millipede here. Ooh. Amazing. Still need a piece of the rock over here. Oh. Wow. It's very beautiful. So among here of the place, this is the best place of finding insects ever. So here, it's very fresh and also cool here. Ooh, the pale millipede, everyone. Wow, I love the pale millipede because it's the cute back. When we touch them, it come close the body. Here's the step of the mountain. Okay, here I arrive at the middle of the step, and over there is the up, almost top of the mountain. Okay, now let's continue searching a little bit along the step. I don't give up. I will recording until I find the new giant millipede around this area. And the green plant here is the best food for the giant millipede. Right here, and the next step here to the top of the mountain. But it's not yet at the top. Okay. There are too many mosquitoes, so it's hard to find. You have to stay there. Ooh. The green plant here is over. Ooh. Ooh. So this is the best food for the giant millipede here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Look at these two guys. This one is a really big one. Oh my goodness. Amazing. So they come here to eat all this green plant during this season. Oh, the fly here. Okay. I think this one is the female. Ooh, the black spotted millipede. Ooh, the real mountain spotted millipede. See, the color is not red, it's a bit black. Oh my god, really amazing one. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. So mostly they hide themselves inside the hole on the rock here, over here. Okay, this the place where they hide it. Okay, now let's walk into another wilderness here, everyone. Okay, let's get deeper inside to this rainforest to see if you can see any other special animal inside this area. Okay, it's quiet inside this forest. No people come here. Oh, it's a big tree over there. Wow, yeah. I think it is no animal here. Oh, look at this tree. It's very big and very high. Wow. There's no way out there. Okay, I think I will come back because I don't sense any animal here. And I hope you guys love watching this video, and don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe to my channel, everyone, and see you on the next episode. Okay, bye bye.